Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to promote your Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to choose the Amazon product in which you want to promote. So let's take an example. We want to promote this iPhone 15 Pro Max charger. So we'll start by downloading the photo. Click on save image. So once you get that, we simply need to go to any editing software. So in this video I'm simply using Canvas. I'll click on it and it's a free version. So after which you simply search for what? Pinterest. After which you click on what? Pinterest pin. Okay, let's say you are actually using but Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the required image size you simply need to use, that is 1000 times 1500 pixel. So we are going to click on it. So once you're here, you simply need to choose your pin. So let me just take, for example, I'll choose this one, click on it. After which I'll simply click on what? Customize this template. So once I get here, I'll go to any editing software where I can simply remove my image background. So I'll click here, choose this one, upload the image. I'll simply need to remove the background, so I'll click on what? Download. So I'll come back to my Pinterest account. I'll simply come and click on what? Upload. So click on upload files, choose it, open. So I'll start by designing my pin. Okay, we'll start by selecting this one, sending this one down, sending this one also down. Okay, selecting this depending on the way you want your design to look like. Insert it. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's say it's like that. We'll leave it like that. So once you're done with that, let's just add the template name. So we'll just copy this, come back here. Okay, you readjust it. You can increase this line if you want. You can increase it if you want to. Okay guys, so since this is sample, let's just leave it like that. But if you want to change the background color, you can simply do it. As you can see, you can change it. So you can change. So let us leave it in that manner. So once you're done with that, you simply click on what? Share. Click on download. Click on download. So guys, we are done designing our template. So we are going to go now to our Pinterest account. After which we'll scroll down and we'll click on what? Save. Once you're there, you click on what? Pin. So once you get here, you simply need to come and upload or drag that our design template or thumbnail. Okay, after that you simply need to insert the title. After that you insert the description. So let us just say this, just come and copy this description. Or you can just say buy from us. So after that you simply need to insert your Amazon affiliate link here. So you go to your Amazon account, you scroll up, after which you click on what? You first of all need to sign in with your Amazon affiliate account first on your on Amazon official site, either the Canada one or the US or whatsoever your location is. So after which you click on what? Get link. Click on text. You simply copy this short link. Come back to your Pinterest account. Come and insert it here. So if you already created a board, you simply need to choose a board. If you have hashtags for this title, you can simply insert it here. Once you're done with that, you simply click on what? Publish. After which you click on what? Review. Okay. So guys, we are done promoting our Amazon affiliate link on our Pinterest account. So guys, each time someone click on that link, it's going to redirect the person to the Amazon affiliate link for that particular product. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.